Hello guys, welcome to Bami Kitchen where we make mouth-watering recipe. Today I will be showing you how to make lamb vegetable sauce. With no further ado, let's jump right to the video. I will be using all these ingredients today. I have white onions, I have bell peppers, I have chopped fresh pepper, I have carrots, I have spring onions, I have blended tomatoes, I have lamb and chicken which I grilled myself. You can as well buy some cooked or fried chicken from the supermarket. Next, I have a clean pan. Now I'll be adding my butter. I'll allow this to melt and then I will add sunflower oil and allow to hot for some minutes. Next, I will add the onions and fry this for 1 to 2 minutes and then I will show you the next thing to do. Now I will add some curry powder and then I will also add some thyme and I will be adding the fresh pepper and then I'll give everything a stir and I will cook this for some minutes to build up the flavor. At this point, I will be adding the blended tomatoes. If today is your first time of coming across this video, you are welcome. And if you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and don't also forget to share. Thank you. I will be covering this to cook for 2 to 4 minutes and then I will open up the pot. At this point, I will be introducing my protein and I will stir everything up. In place of the lamb, you can use goat meat or beef. I will be adding all the veggies at this point. I will start by adding the carrots, then I will go ahead to add the bell peppers, and thereafter I will give everything a stir. I will be covering this up again for another 2 to 4 minutes and then I will open up the pan. Guys, at this point, I will be adding the Maggi. I will add some salt and then I will finalize this by adding the spring onions and then I will stir and cover to cook for final few minutes and then I will open up the pan. Guys, at this point my kitchen is full of nice aroma. Can you see that? This lamb vegetable sauce was so succulent and so delicious. And guys, this sauce is so simple and easy to make. Try this up and then you thank me later. Here our sauce is ready and I went ahead to take it off the gas cooker and then I served this with some boiled rice. You can use cooked yam, fried yam, cooked potato, spaghetti, pasta, whatever you have. You can use it to eat this chicken sauce because it's so versatile. Thank you guys for always watching my video and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Keep eating good food. See you in my next video. Bye.